Peace, man.
Yo, it's Blessing in the building, man.
Yeah, you have Prince Nigerian.
Yo, it's Peace in the building.
That's right. Gang in the building, baby.
Yeah, jiggy all night.
Yo, fam.
Blessing Niche, right? I don't know how you pronounce it now.
Niche.
Huh?
Niche. That's Nigeria.
Niche.
Nice. Blessing Niche. Calm down.
Okay, they start with Pidgin first.
Okay, so today we want to teach our cousin.
Wait, hold on, pause. How you telling what we're doing on my channel?
Okay, sorry. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, go for it. It's fine.
No, it's fine.
No,
No.
I'm started.
Wow.
Okay,
I told you, it's coming try.
So today we're gonna be teaching our cousin who came all the way from England, some Pidgin languages in Nigeria. Am I correct? Definitely I'm correct. So the first one we're gonna start with is which one are we gonna start with?
Anyone?
Shady, wine.
Shade wine me.
Oh, talking about right. It's 100, right? Oh yeah, say I go put them for your body woto.
I want to be black.
I go put them for your body woto.
Big my hand.
I go put them for your body woto.
I will put time for your body. What's
Oh,
Is that good?
Okay.
Is that good?
But try to make it more deeper. Like I go put them for your body woto.
I will put time for your body. What's
Yes.
I will put time for your body. What's
Oh my God! So please, it's your turn.
Wait,
Okay,
what does that mean?
That is, I will change and give you.
Yeah, like if you're quarreling with somebody,
Somebody.
and then the person is like talking nonsense, it'd be like if I slap you
Oh.
or blow.
I think it's somewhat related, right? So Prince.
Okay, waiting the sub for you now.
Say it one more time.
Waiting the sub for you now.
Within the
Within
sub
the
for
yarn for
years.
you now.
Okay. Waiting the soft here now.
Yeah. And what's going on here?
It should be a little more deeper. Like,
Yeah.
Why is it so deep?
No, they yarn nonsense from my side.
No, they yarn nonsense from my side.
You don't see
I
rubbish.
don't say rubbish beside her.
So wait, say the one that you said.
Waiting
Waiting
the sub for you now. Waiting the yarn for you now.
the soft here now.
within the yarn for
Like
years.
what's
Waiting the
going on
yarn here
here?
now.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, then say I will
Wait.
Pata.
No, what
1960s Pidgin.
Don't teach me you. Don't teach me. I want. Blessings. Nobody's doing old stuff, man. I want new improved Pidgin. Hey, give me the new stuff. Don't give me the old stuff. I know that one already.
Come we go chow.
Huh?
Come we go chow.
Come we go chow. What's that mean?
Come let's go and eat.
Oh, chow.
Like-
Chow. Why say chow?
Chow.
Like
Why not chop?
Like
Chow.
chow.
Pidgin, now that's Pidgin.
Chow.
Yes.
Chow.
Come make we go chow.
Come make me go chow.
Yeah.
At the age.
Come make me go chow. At the age.
At the age.
At the age.
Listen to that. Hmm?
Yeah. At the age.
At the age. I said that one already.
You know the meaning.
What does it mean?
At the age.
Like,
Wait. At the age.
At the age.
I'm getting older.
I'm
No.
Oh, eh?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Like that.
Age.
Like it's actually
H.
Yeah.
Oh. No, but wait, say the age.
That's how you put it now. At the-
H.
at the- No, not at the age. It's Pidgin. Not
H.
not give us it. Yeah.
It's H, not H.
At the
At the age.
At the age. At the age.
Sorry, at the age.
Not like age.
Okay.
okay. So
Guys, I feel like I'm doing pretty good though. I feel like I've got most of them.
You want to like give your scores, not
Huh?
yourself. Yeah.
Yup. Looks like
give
you
us
Look.
your college.
Yup.
Yup.
Carry on like that.
What's you? You is like normal.
What's you?
Yeah.
Yes. Male, they call you.
Huh?
Male, they call you.
Male, they call you. What's that mean?
Like, mommy's calling you.
Male, like
Male.
mommy is Male.
Then
Male.
Male is
Male,
Daddy.
like Male, they call you.
Male, they call you.
Yeah, exactly.
No, not
Go
Male.
and Samale.
Male, they call you.
Male, they call you.
Yeah. My lady call you.
Man, they call you.
Yeah, it's like, oh my god, I'm a G.
Battery don't
Man, they call you.
Yeah, they call you.
Mama, huh? Man, they call you. Okay. Next one.
My lady call you.
One more papa.
Okay.
Anybody when you act nonsense, they'll put out for your body.
Woto.
Not for your body.
Say something in English, then we'll translate to Pidgin.
Exactly.
Pidgin. Let's go.
Huh? Say that?
Say something in
You say
English.
something in English and then we get to.
Okay.
translate.
I need to go to the shop now.
I got the go shop now.
Huh?
I gas the go shop now.
I gas the go shop.
Yeah, I
Why
got that
gas?
GADS.
Huh?
GADS.
GADS.
Yeah.
I got
GADS.
GADS.
Yeah.
Gas.
Yeah, I got the go shop
Gas.
now. Yeah, I got
Ma?
the go shop now.
Oh yeah, come. Let me please stop.
We're coming
We're
back.
just
We're
funny.
coming
Quick
back.
pause. We're coming back. Yeah, baby, we're back in the building, baby. We're back in the building, you know what I'm saying? But now we're finished with the pigeons, so now we're gonna do how we say words differently. So they're gonna do their version, and obviously I'm gonna represent for the UK and say how we did, So yeah.
Yeah,
Who wants to go first?
Me, I'm gonna go first. So the first one we'll be looking at is this. The first
I
one.
don't have my glasses.
Oh, you don't have your glasses.
That's it.
Breakthrough.
Huh?
Breakthrough.
But say it louder so that the
Breakthrough.
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 Break. No. Don't try and change it now. Don't try and change it.
Okay.
I know you said.
Breakthrough.
No. Say it how you usually
Like the
say it.
Nigerian version of
Breakthrough.
it.
Huh?
Breakthrough.
I don't think you that's fresh. Because they say it normally though.
Breakthrough.
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 True. Where's it true? Honestly, and in England we say breakthrough.
Breakthrough.
No, not through. Breakthrough.
Breakthrough.
Huh?
Breakthrough.
Breakthrough.
Wait, I have to say it out so that.
Okay. Breakthrough.
Okay, now the next one is
It's blur. Blur.
blur.
Huh?
Blur.
Blur. Now the Nigerian version is
Blur.
blur.
Law.
Blur.
Blur.
B-L-U-R. Like blur. No.
No, it's not B-L-U-R. You're just saying blur. Where's the U-R? Blur.
Like blur. It's blur.
So how do you guys
Blur.
pronounce it?
Blur.
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 So the
Blur.
next word on our list is generator.
Generator.
And so what you
Generator.
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 Yeah, say it again.
Generator.
Generator. That's it. Generator.
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 Hey, no, that's not what you said the right time. You said generator.
Generator.
Not generator, you said last time.
Generator.
Because the T was silent.
Generator.
Yeah, generator.
You said
Generator.
generator. You said generator or that the right time.
Generator.
Yeah.
Generator.
That's a generator.
Yeah,
Yeah, to be fair, you can say generator, but that's a bit more, that's not good English.
Okay.
The teacher pronounce your word, so
Okay.
generator.
Generator.
Yeah. No, but the thing is, I was trying to tell you guys not to pronounce the T because you was doing it too heavy. You was like, tar.
Tall.
Yeah, but it's generator.
Generator.
Or generator.
Generator. On to the next. Okay, so we have chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. That's the
Nigeria.
way we Nigerians pronounce
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Bring that chocolate. Come here.
it. Yeah.
Carry that chocolate.
Come give me.
Osiso.
Biawete chocolate.
Chocolate.
Biawete miri chocolate.
Yam chocolate.
Yem chocolate.
Bogo chocolate.
But chocolate won't die. I'm gonna sell your followers.
I'm gonna have no subscribers after this. Straight. Honestly, UK chocolate.
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 Huh?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Oh yeah, why does your voice go down when you start to do English version?
I want you to like go smooth and sweet.
I don't know, say with chest.
Okay, chocolate.
Huh?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
It's going to be worse.
I feel like she might do it better than you two though.
Pronounce it again.
No.
So I get to
Chocolate.
chocolate. Don't laugh. We have the next word is bucket.
Huh?
Bucket.
Bucket?
How did you say bucket? Say
Use the
again.
Nigerian now.
Bucket.
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 Carry that bucket.
Go fresh
Come.
water.
Bucket.
Go fresh water with that bucket.
How do we say bucket? Yeah.
Bucket.
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 I like the thing silent.
Bucket.
You the
Bucket.
thing silent.
Use the
Bucket.
British accent.
To be fair, you can do either one. To be fair, I feel like sometimes I don't really pronounce my words fully. So yeah, but bucket. Yeah. Bucket. Bucket. That sounds so
Bucket.
weird. Bucket.
Bring the butter.
Hey.
Hey! What's that?
Say again.
British.
You are British.
Say again. Bring the butter.
Bring the butter. Bring the butter.
But
It's not butter.
Butter.
Butter. It's not butter.
It's not butter.
But
Like I want to use that. I want that British accent. That one.
Bucket.
How the blue
butter.
Huh? Butter.
Yeah.
Butter. You want for bread?
No, it's not butter. Butter.
Butter.
Butter.
Butter.
But you want to say butter?
So I think it was butter.
Okay, the next one is little. Little.
Little.
Little. I can't use a Niger.
Yeah, the Niger one is
Little.
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 I do British.
British.
Yeah. What's the laughing at?
Are you ready for it? Okay, British.
British. No, stop doing that. Stop doing British. Do it in a sentence. Though.
That's nice.
Get me the little cup.
Huh? Well, my G.
Welcome, my G.
Never say with a British accent.
Welcome.
But one G.
Welcome, my G.
That's Jamaica. Not
Well,
Florida.
good, my
I'm from
G.
many countries. I've been to many countries. Yeah, no,
I've been to many countries, exactly. Like, I've
Have you got a passport?
You don't
I
need
don't have an ID card.
So guys, yeah, I told them that in the UK that we say Nige if you're like Nigerian, say Niger or Nige. You said niche.
I said nice.
Remember? She said niche.
Niche.
Niche. She said I'm a niche girl.
There's a niche.
Let's say it again.
I'm a nice girl.
Nice. What's nice?
Nice.
Nige.
Nice.
night.
Like there is go for a surgery. Like that
Nige.
Nice.
No, it's not Nige.
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 Nice. Like
Nige.
Night.
Nige. No, not Nige.
not nice. See,
Just Nige.
look, Nigeria.
Exactly.
Nige.
Just the first part of Nigeria.
Nige.
Nige.
Nice. So how do you guys pronounce
Shawarma.
Pizza.
Shawarma.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Wait, how did you say?
Shawarma.
Shawarma.
Shawarma. Nigeria shawarma.
Shawarma.
Go get me shawarma.
Go
buy
get shawarma.
Shawarma.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's how we pronounce it.
Shawarma.
Yeah.
Wait, how do you spell it? S-H-A...
A-W-A.
R.
No. There's no R in shawarma.
There's
R.
Is
There's
it?
R. W-A-R then M-A.
Shawarma.
How do you pronounce it?
Shawarma.
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 Go get me the shawarma.
Nan shawarma.
Shawarma. Nana shawarma.
Yeah, nan
Go
shawarma.
get me
Nana
shawarma.
shawarma.
Nan.
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 There's pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza.
How do you get pizza from P-I-Z-Z-A?
Pizza. Nigeria.
Where's the H?
That's what they call it. Pizza.
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 No, not pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza.
From your name, pizza. Yeah.
If I elbow you, pizza. Say water.
Like
Water.
What is it pretty that say water?
Yeah, me.
yeah, for me, British, you say what?
Water.
Get
For
me-
you?
Yeah.
Water.
Yeah.
Go
Where you
get me
from?
some water, please.
British. Go get me some
No,
water.
no. It's not water.
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 That's about water.
Water.
I need some water. Oh yeah, pass me the aqua.
Go get. What's
Huh?
it?
What did he say?
Lights. I even say lights.
Light. Light.
Light.
Light.
Light.
Light.
I want to
To
be
be fair, nah.
Light.
Well, me anyway, and to be fair, a lot of people that I know, we don't really always pronounce the end of words. So we might just say light. Light. Light.
Light.
Yeah. And switch off the light. So.
Switch off the light.
Yeah, shush up.
Try again.
God, say it again now.
Me?
No, you.
No, he's the one that says shush up.
Nah, that's what your mom would do.
Switch off the light.
Shush up.
Switch off the light.
Go.
I say it again.
Switch off the light.
Switch off the light. Switch off the light. That's
Please
there.
say it.
Huh?
Say it, let me listen to it.
Switch off the light.
Switch off the light.
Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously, leave your comments down below. Let us.
That's how we do the British. Yo, one man down.
Oh my gosh. Anyway,
He's resurrected.
let us know your comments. Yeah, how you felt like I did with the pigeon, and also these guys' takes on how we say things, all that kind of stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, share, subscribe, all that way entertaining. Boys, go on.
Peace, man. The peace sign, man. Like,
Mr. Beastman. What's that? And what are you sniffing? Yeah.